Hey guys, Rob with Lukat. Check out the fender on this paint job right here. Okay, if your paint job looks pretty nasty right now, especially like the hood, roof, and trunk of the car, but the sides look good, you can use this. It's called Lukat Fix It. It's not wax, okay? What you do is you put this on like this, and what you do is just go back and forth. This is not wax, guys. Don't do it in circles. This is actually a cleaner that'll fix your problem. Masking the paint with wax when it's dirty or oxidized is the worst thing you can do because you're trapping and masking a problem. If you clean it with this, you remove the buildup, the contamination, okay? And what happens is the color and the gloss come right back to life. Remember, if you have a clear coat, you don't want to cut it, you want to clean it. So all I did right here, right now, is I didn't remove the clear, I simply cleaned it. Look how beautiful that comes out. Now here's something really important. What I'm gonna do right now is I'm gonna show you, this is not a wax. Can you guys see that reflection? That's beautiful. But look at this. There's no wax. So Lukat Fix It is not a wax, it's actually a cleaner. You use it to clean your paint back to its original state so that now you can seal it and protect it. You can get yours at lukatdetail.com. Look how beautiful that came out. Check us out. Order anytime you want at lukatdetail.com.